Good morning, everybody. It's Tracy. Listen, I just wanted to hop on. We're at the end of the year, and the Hive has been a part of a membership group for almost a year now. And I wanted to give you an update on what we've been doing. We've got over 200 members, and we have fun in a private Facebook group, and then also over on our Hive homepage. I wanted to give you a little update, show you some of the projects we've been working on this year. Show you what our website looks like, and then click on the link below to go over to the Hive page for yourself and get some more details, okay? Here's some of the things that we've been working on. This is our Hive homepage, and as you can see, let me just get that out of the way. When you log into the Hive homepage, you get our current calendar, and you'll see that we do a coupon for a free digital download every month. We also do 2 Wednesday giveaways, and this month in December we did 2 live projects. And then those live projects are all uploaded here. And this was one of the projects that we did. You get the video on how to do it, and then you also get the attachments on your, if there are any attachments like a supply list or homework instructions, things like that. So that's kind of what the homepage looks like. And so we've got the Hive projects, we've got the This Is Me project, and then we've got some guest speakers that we've had in the past. And those are all available on the website for as long as you're a member. The other thing that we have done is that we do a lot of really fun classes or lives, as I mentioned. So these are some of the projects that we've made. We make little mini albums sometimes during the class. We made this folio. This was probably one of our very first, if not our first project. This is always a fun little idea here, and we did that one in one of our lives, as well as lots of fun 12 by 12 pages that we just get together. Oops, upside down. We get together and we do either double pages or we do single pages, and those are all live and then saved again in the homepage so that you can go back and watch at any time. The Hive membership is only $15 a month. You get all of these workshops for free. You get all the classes for free. You get a free digital download, and I hope you'll click the link below to find out more about our fun community. Talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.